What I can see is there is a lot of good response at the grassroots level, which is very, very important for us because we need to strengthen at the grassroots. And this party, as we all know, the Trinamool Congress is a party for the grassroots.
Haduh lais ba arpun riu ngut nongshong shnong hnin kisngi kilarung shakasing san hima sima All India Trinamool Congress nongshong West Khas Hills District. Yekini kidkhot thamai jongka All India Trinamool Congress la priang sngob the Vice President jongka seng. Hadin kini kajing priang sngob uba asyang priang ulayok ban yasulok bat kidkhot jongka seng kumno ban sandur thamai ya ka Meghalaya.
And today there has been a large attendance of people who have joined the All India Trinamool Congress. And as a Vice President, I have come here to strengthen the party and to give them the moral support and also to show them the roadmap of how we go ahead from here. I've given them a lot of inputs of how to create the primary units, how to go about formation of more units in the rural areas and in every polling station possible. And this leader who we have here by the name of Macmillan Kharbani, he is a very resourceful leader, he is an experienced leader, and we will be projecting him for the coming assembly as our candidate. And he has a lot of experience. I hope he'll be doing it well.
See, my point of joining this party is I have seen, first of all, I have seen this is the only party that is fighting against BJP. So I'm very much against the communal forces. I have seen how communal forces are dividing people. So being from a Christian background, I would take it to the best of my effort to promote or strengthen secular parties. So that's the first thing. Secondly, this is the party which I have seen is working for the poor and downtrodden. I've seen how this party is helping Mother Teresa also in Kolkata. So this has given a lot of inspiration to me. And I'm also a man from a poor background. So it suits me to serve this party. Thank you.